Let's now add a little bit of camera shake in our shot, and then we'll also animate the focus distance as well. I'm just gonna move my playhead somewhere around here, let's say, from where this camera actually begins to rotate. And I'm gonna go into my content browser. I'm gonna go into this camera shake blueprints folder, and let's duplicate this blueprint. I'm gonna open up this blueprint, and there it is. I'm gonna go back into sequencer, and let's see. I'm just gonna move my playhead maybe just about there, let's say. And before we add this blueprint into the sequencer, first of all, I want to lock the other tracks. I'm going to close this thing and I'm going to select these tracks from here and I'm going to lock them. I'm going to open up the parameters of this camera and I'm going to also lock this transform parameter as well. Okay, I'm going to close this parameter and let's bring this window down here. And I'm just going to click on this plus icon here. I'm going to go into camera shake and let's add this camera shake into the sequencer. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the duration of this thing because I don't want this camera stick to last throughout the entire animation. I'm gonna, as a starting point, I'm just gonna type 1 second in here. And I'm gonna also set the blend-in time of 0.1. And I'm gonna manually set the blend out time as well to maybe just about there. And let's play this animation. Probably we should, I think I should move this a little bit back on maybe just about there, I guess, maybe there. And let's play this thing. Yeah, we're gonna have to increase the intensity of the amplitude. Let's try 3 in here. And let's play this thing. Maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna try 4 in here. And let me see. I think I should increase the duration of this thing as well. Let's try 1.5 in here. And of course, now we're gonna have to adjust the blend out time as well. I'm just gonna set it to maybe just about there. And let's play this thing. I think I should bring down the rotation amplitude to, let's say, 0.5. And let's play this thing. Perhaps that's a little bit too low. Let's try 0.6. Maybe let's try 0.65 in here. I'm gonna try 0.75. Perhaps that's a little bit too much. I'm just gonna bring this down to, let's say, 0.65 maybe. And let's play this thing. Yeah, I think now it looks a little bit better. I think I should increase the duration a little bit more, maybe let's say just about there. And of course, now we're gonna have to adjust the blend out time as well. I think I should bring this a few frames backwards. Maybe let's just try here. And let's play this thing. Let's see. Maybe I think I should increase the blending time as well. And let's play this thing. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna now compile this blueprint and let's save everything. And let's now add another camera shake in here because I also want a little bit of camera shake as this, the second speeder passes by the camera. So I'm gonna go into content browser and duplicate this camera shake blueprint. And let's open up this thing. I'm gonna close the other one and let's see. Maybe perhaps just about maybe 1 frame backwards there. And let's add the second component. I think I should first select this one. and drop this end area to here. And I'm gonna also, and let's now add the other camera shake blueprint. Okay, let's play this thing. I think it's a little bit too much in amplitude. Let's bring down the amplitude to 3. And of course, I'm gonna have to bring down the duration as well. Let's say 1.2 maybe. And let me see. Yeah, now we're gonna have to adjust the blend in time and blend out time as well. Maybe let's say just about there, I guess. And let's play this animation. Let me see. Um, Perhaps I should bring it one frame backwards there. And yeah, I think now it looks a lot better. Okay, so let's save everything. First, let me compile this thing. I'm gonna save everything in here. And let's now animate the focus distance of this camera. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I should lock this camera shake layer. And I'm gonna select this camera. I'm gonna go ahead and change the focus method to manual. Oops, not tracking. I'm gonna set this to manual, and I'm gonna also check this box. Let me split this window, and I'm gonna move to frame number 0. And let me see. I'm gonna move my view closer to the speeder, and I'm gonna use the eyedropper tool to place that focus plane in here. Let's add a keyframe. I'm gonna now move through frame number, let's say 25. And let me adjust my view. I'm gonna use my eyedropper tool to set the focus in here. Yeah, looks good. Let's see, let's move to frame number 12 and see how this thing looks like. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let's move to frame number 6. No, it doesn't look so good. So let's add a keyframe in here. And let's move to frame number 12. I'm just gonna go ahead and add another keyframe in here as well. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's move to frame number 18. Yeah, we're gonna have to adjust that in here as well. I'm gonna add another keyframe in here. And let me see. Yeah, it looks good here. Here as well. Looks good here as well. Perhaps I should add a keyframe in here. Maybe a keyframe in here as well. And in here as well. Let me see. So far, so good. I'm just gonna move this playhead, and I think I should add a keyframe in here. Let me get closer to this thing. Yeah, we're gonna have to add a keyframe in here as well. Let's just adjust that manually. There we go. And maybe a keyframe in here as well. Oops, that's the focal length. Okay. Let's move this playhead. 'Head. Just gonna use my eyedropper tool again to adjust the focus. I'll just time lapse some of my work in here because it's pretty self-explanatory and there's nothing too technical about it. You just have to set the 2D focus plane over the subject and that is pretty much it. Don't worry if it's at a distance from the speeder, that is because the camera is just oriented this way, but it will still accurately set your focus. I'm gonna now check in between these keyframes and see if there's anything out of the ordinary, but for the most part, I think it looks pretty okay. Yeah, looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys in the next one.